When the Anti-Corruption Court Magistrate Douglas Ogoti delivers Mike Sonko's application to be freed on bail Wednesday morning, the weight of the dilemma confronting the court comes to light on how the court addresses itself to a possible ruling denying the governor bail or barring him from accessing his office. Sonko, who has been operating without a deputy governor, has posed an unprecedented legal challenge that has left lawyers and politicians searching for options, with the opinions provided being as varied as the number of lawyers and analysts themselves.
Since the deputy governor and the governor are all members of a county executive, the easiest would be for one of the county executive members to be able to take over. And then so the court would say within 14 days the county executive members should sit down, or within 7 days, and elect amongst themselves one of them.
If the court is alive to what is happening, can the court stop barring him from going to the office? Will it not be discriminatory? Already there is discrimination because the first governors who are charged were never barred from the office.
Analysts say Wednesday's ruling by the court could be a make-or-break moment for Nairobi County. The court can avoid plunging the county into a leadership crisis and its 4 million residents due to a stall in the provision of services, leaving other options on the table. One of those options is to have President Uhuru Kenyatta invoke Article 192 of the Constitution and suspend the county government under the Exceptional Circumstances Clause, which will lead to the formation of an independent commission of inquiry that will then hand over its recommendations to the president, and the suspension approved by the Senate. An election will then be held after 90 days. The route could prove to be a political challenge.
The apex body of intergovernmental relations, which is the summit, can actually be able to declare and write to the Senate that Nairobi City County as it is untenable. Therefore asking the Senate to concur with them on suspension.
And Mike Sonko is a politician. That is a political process. Yesterday, you saw a number of senators in solidarity with Mike Sonko. 2, we saw a number of lawyers who are senators in court. And therefore, the political process in the Senate is a non-cropper.
Well aware of the legal crisis at hand, the governor is unlikely to hand over a name of a deputy to the county assembly to be approved in a special sitting. The idea of having County Assembly Speaker Beatrice Elachi take over is also limited by the Constitution, as Article 182 of the Constitution declares the office of the governor vacant in the event of death, resignation in writing to County Assembly Speaker, ceases to be a governor, is convicted of an offence punishable by imprisonment for at least 12 months, and removal from office, upon which the Speaker, in the absence of a deputy governor, will take over and an election held in 2 months. At the Nairobi County Assembly, County Majority Leader Charles Thuo says the County Assembly has no intention of impeaching the governor, a move that effectively shuts the impeachment option. An indication that each side of the political divide in Nairobi will be digging in its heels and purpose to have its say and way in coming days. Kamau, K24 Evening Edition.